Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. And now the reason why I only use one account is to emulate what beginners would make at the beginning when they first start. Alright, links in the description, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. So let's get it started, right? So anyway, let's start with the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Now the first reason that I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business because it's ultimately a funnel builder. It's a lot of other products too, but mainly it's a funnel builder, which is very, very lucrative and easy to use, so to speak. In its system, you can, it's point click, it's slide, it's a very easy to use funnel in general. You don't really need to know much. You kind of pick pictures in, take pictures out, whatever you need to do, right? Very easy to do. And there's no limitation of how many funnels you can make and so on and so forth. So you can make as many funnels as you want for just $25 a month. Now, the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels. Now, it is $97 per month. And there are a ton of limitations. Like, I think it's only 20,000 people can see your funnel every month. Which is cool, and which means they'll shut it down if too many people see your funnel. I don't know if it's 20. I don't know what the number is, but yeah, that disturbed me. How many people can see your funnel? And that's crazy to me. But anyway, guys. The second reason why I like promoting this product is because, and I think the reason that I think most people are interested in the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, and that's insane. For every $25, you get 20 of it, right? Every $125, you get 100 of it. Every $500 you get $400, and every $1,000 you get 800 of it. Every sale you get 80% recurring commission, no matter what the product is, which is why I think a lot of people are interested in this product. All right, so let's see what our results lay. So anyway, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday. Let's check and see and make sure here. So we're gonna refresh the page here to make sure that we did get a sale, and it looks like we did get a sale.
Nice.
All right, guys, that's amazing. Honestly, we've been doing so well the last couple of days. Don't mistake this here. I didn't get like 20 sales this day. It's recurring. Some of these are recurring, but we are doing so well. We slowly, as you can see, we're slowly building up to a very profitable business here by getting people in the system. We're slowly building up, and it's just getting better and better, as you can see. That's amazing, right? So anyway, let's continue here. We're gonna go down here. Oh, by the way, do not believe stats unless the person refreshes the page. It's very easy to change all these numbers around to be whatever they want it to be. All these numbers, they can be whatever they want it to be. Oh, I made $1,600 off of this product doing this exact method for almost 2 months. I don't had the product for almost 3 months though. But, and I got some sales. I got some sales before I tried doing this. So, but ultimately, I made a lot of money off of this product, guys. In the last week, I made $280, guys. This last week so far. That's all of these here. After Thursday. Right here. This is my next week's check. $280 so far. It could grow. But yeah, man, this is working for me, guys. it's working really, really well. I just wanted to clarify that with you guys. So anyway, let's move on here. We're gonna send an email here. We're gonna do that. We're gonna get passive income. Now that email didn't do too well. So we're gonna go with this one. Okay. Let's go with this one. Create a limited income for life. All right, so this is a very easy email to send here. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this email. I only sent it multiple times since I started this series. It tends to perform well. That's why I've sent it. I constantly send it, and that's a good idea to show you guys. If you find emails that tend to perform well, it's a good idea to send them multiple times. But anyway, yeah, we just gonna send this email. You can just copy this right here. It's a very short email. If you want to copy the email, you can easily do it. And you can put a picture. You can put your picture down here if you wish. You don't have to. I've been sending it just like this without my email. You know, without my face. The reason why I send my face though, like a picture of my face, is because I think it makes it more authentic. This is the person sending you the email. You know what I mean? Something like that. So you don't even gotta use your face. You can use somebody else's face. But I just do it like that. I just use my own face. But anyway, we'll continue on here. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time does send an email around time people check. Oh, by the way, guys, let me make sure I clarify this here. Make sure you get your link. I'm gonna show you guys how to get the link here. Gotta be careful because I can't show y'all no emails or nothing like that. YouTube has been cracking down on people showing emails. Also, it's private information, so I cannot show emails and stuff of everybody that's in the system. So this is the email. This is the link you want to get here. The all-in-one digital business. Now you can try other links if you wish. There's no problem with trying other links. Okay, guys. I just want to make sure I say that. All right, so we're gonna paste that. Okay. And we got the link in there. Now the link in there, it's very easy to put a link in there. And that's all it is to it, guys. So we're gonna just send the email, preview it, make sure the link works. And the link does work, so we're gonna send the email. All like that. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, so the email sent. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, the link's in the description below as well. Peace.